long have you all worked with Echidna? Were you there when you all brought them in?
Yeah, in about 2.5 years.
What stood out to you all as a good partner?
Sure, I'm glad that you asked actually, because I was thinking about this. I call them like the Cadillac of the choices that we had. I said then, and I still believe, working with Echidna is really the difference between us just having another a website refresh and having something that's going to help catapult us into the future. My mind goes back to when we launched the website too, and there was a lot of time, a lot of hours. We launched the website in January of 2020. Shortly after we launched, the pandemic started. Our business needs and our customer needs were shifting on a dime. There's times I've been very stressed and they've just, it'll be fine, you know it. And yeah, you need that. When they came to launch our website, they didn't just want to know what our online channel looks like. They wanted to learn all parts and aspects of the business. We did a deep dive and we actually internally learned even more about the business with having them here. We went through user and buyer persona exercises. I don't know how we could have launched without it, to be honest. We're always making changes. They're very agile at getting those changes done. I never feel as if anything I ask is an imposition. I often have to tell them to stop working because I know it's like 4 a.m. their time, or they're on vacation and they're working, which actually happened today. It's just that level of dedication that I really have not seen with other vendors. Their level of dedication really sets them apart.